Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app you click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find here this application of Wolt and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking